Hey Kelly, and welcome back. As you may or may not know, for all of our years being nomads, all 11 of them now, we've struggled to find power for our phones and our camera equipment and everything else.
Which I will just point out is just the phone.
Yes.
However, we do have a number of battery packs, as you know. If you've seen
That video, we'll put it up the top somewhere.
it'll be somewhere around here. If you've seen that video about how we resolve our power solutions, you'll see we have quite a few battery packs,
Yes.
which weigh some, don't they?
Yes, they do. Well, obviously, from the thumbnail, we have a new solution.
But before we get to our new solution, let's just talk about some of the difficulties that we have with the whole on the move, trying to get power. So, as you'll know from the video, right, we try everything. In fact, we throw everything we have at it.
Yeah.
So we make friends, we will purchase things at venues just that we can plug our stuff in. We will negotiate with people at such venues to see if we can get them there overnight so that we can get proper charge. Of course, there's making contacts and friends and
Family too.
yeah, utilising public sockets like at train stations or toilets or even supermarkets, funnily enough, can sometimes get a plug socket there.
Yeah, you got the like the little cafes and things like that. Some places even have that you can put your phone on charge for a couple of quid whilst you're doing the shopping. You actually put it in the cubicle. I've seen that before as well. They're quite cool.
The world's becoming very adapted to giving charge solutions on the move. So,
Yeah.
you know, I mean, as the years have gone on, it has got slightly easier for us. But this one is definitely a little bit of a game changer.
Yeah, a huge game changer for us.
Show us what you got.
It's not the size, it's what you do with it, right? Well,
It's a big one though.
we've got the MH Powers. It's a 40 watt solar charger and it opens up like this. I mean, Tara's not stood up. So if Tara stands up, there we go. It's only coming up to her waist, maximum. Great.
And I'm a small 5 foot. Now, you may know that before, when we've been asked about solar, we haven't had a whole lot of good things to say about it, if
No.
we're honest. After all the years of living this way, we've tried lots of different solar solutions and they've barely hit a bar.
Yeah.
One bar. And people say, well, it's because you need to charge it by a socket, but that's not the point of a solar charge, is it? I mean, if that was why you're purchasing it, you just use a socket anyway, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So we didn't hold out a lot of faith and we've never wanted to invest in it because we thought, well, it's just not going to work, right? Why would you waste money on something that so far hasn't worked?
For us.
However, because this was sent as a review, we thought, well, we'll give it a go. We weren't holding out much hope, I will say, but it's been fantastic.
I mean, it's done one full battery pack in 4 hours. That's not bad. That's a light an hour if you think of it like
And
that.
it wasn't steady sunshine either. It was part cloud like it is today above us. It was part cloudy day. So it does seem to require direct light here and there. Like once the clouds come over, it almost stops charging temporarily and then the sun hits it, you know, comes back on again.
So with one of these, basically what you get is you get your instructions, as you might want to call them. One of these things. Basically, if you're like van lifing or anything like these sorts of chargers, they're great. Well, wires, because you can plug them into your solar like that and plug any one of these into any sorts of devices that you have, laptop, computer, anything like that. And it says it can do it, although we don't have one of those big power bank things to try it out on. It also comes with USB-C to USB-C. That plugs directly into it like that. When the sun comes out, this little red light there, that comes on. As you can see, the red lights come on. Now, these are going to be at like 45-degree angle to the sun. It's either that way or it's that way. We hung it from a tree. Obviously, these little holes up here, we tie a paracord through and hung it up on a tree and then just got a log to angle it. And yeah, it seems to be great. It's done the battery pack, hasn't it?
Yes.
It says not to use it in cloudy, rainy conditions. But we take what we can, right? But yeah, as Tara has said, this could be an absolute game changer.
Well, so much so that this is not a giveaway, sadly.
No, there is a link down in the description. Go over and have a look. I mean, this one at the moment on their website is £61. So yeah, and there's links to the website. Go over and have a look. They got bigger ones, smaller ones, flexi ones, all sorts of stuff.
But in all honesty, 60 quid, we would pay that each year. If that got damaged,
Yeah.
we'd pay that each year to have this.
Yeah.
I mean, if to have something that actually works,
Yeah.
I mean, that's something phenomenal for us. You know, it's going to help us tenfold, really.
Yeah. I mean, if you think in that earlier video we charge all of our gear off grid. If we're offering people a £5 a time or a couple of quid a time to charge part charge or full charge our battery packs, if that's 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, you've got 52 weeks in a year. So figure that out. Even if they charged you £1 each week, that's 52 weeks, £52 a year. It's not bad, even if we struggle a little bit.
And that's not actually including the money that we will spend, like in the cafes and the bars and stuff, to try and...
Yeah, you think you go and buy a beer each, all of a sudden that's 12 quid down the pan. Yeah.
If you're lucky nowadays, actually,
Yeah.
sometimes it can be more than that.
If you can sip it for a good 6 hours, you know, sort of thing. Or, especially in the summer at the moment, you bung this up, you're getting 12, 14 hours of daylight.
I mean, the way we're looking at this is, even if this solar panel is only any good for us in the summer months, that's good enough.
Yeah.
For £60, that is good enough for us, you know?
Yeah, it's
at
absolutely
least half
fine.
of our year is
It's covered.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty much covered, right?
Yeah, which means we can make more content.
Well, hopefully, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
We got to figure out a new routine of working it, because the plan is to try and get down to just 2 battery packs now.
Yes.
Because if we can just reduce the weight to 2 battery packs, it's worth carrying this.
Yeah.
At the moment, we're carrying about 6, I think, battery packs.
6 at the moment, only because, you know, people, friends, family, whatever, have said, oh, I've got a dead battery pack I don't use anymore. Do you guys want it, you know?
Yeah. So we've taken a few freebies along the way.
Yeah.
So it's going to really help to reduce the weight, and if we can offload those and then replace that weight with this bad boy,
Yeah.
then that's going to really help out. I don't know how, I might have to put the extra battery packs in our tub, actually, see if we can get those
Yeah, in our
down
blue
to
barrel.
our blue barrel, because the deal is we may need to revert back to that in the winter,
Yeah.
you know, our usual methods. But at the moment, tickled pink with it, I really am. I
Yeah.
can't believe it actually works.
I mean, there is one thing I noticed. Through the USB-C to USB-C, it won't charge the phone up. But if you put it into the USB slot that I've already showed you, if you put it into the USB slot like you would normally charge your phone, so USB to USB-C, it works a lot better. I think it's because like your devices, or the device output, for instance, struggles to know where to draw the power to and which socket. So as long as the USB's in and not the C, I found it worked a lot better for a phone that way. But power banks, battery packs, the USB-C to USB-C has and is working so far. And yesterday, sorry.
No, go on.
And yesterday, obviously it was raining and intermittent sun. It worked. It was still charging, trickle charging, but it was still doing it.
Bless him though, he was up and down like a blooming yo-yo, because he's in, out, shake it all about,
Yeah.
do the yo-yo. But anyhow,
I was going to say, don't get us copyrighted.
yeah, he's up and down like a yo-yo, going back and forth, because of course he didn't want a chance it getting wet before we've even had a chance to do a review on it,
Yeah.
or be able to utilise it properly. So yeah, you got a bit of exercise yesterday, didn't you, getting in and out, trying to salvage the situation every
did
time
indeed.
a rain cloud opened up.
Yep. Oh, and not to mention, it comes with a lightning adapter for iPhones too. So it's Android and iPhone savvy, and your manual. But I think it's IP65 waterproof rating, whatever that means. But obviously it says don't put it out in the rain. We thought, well, do you know what? I'm not going to keep in and out. I was in and out, but it still worked. It still trickle charged throughout the day.
Yeah.
So, babe, why would we even remotely suggest MH Powers as the power solution?
Well, I mean, let's face it, it can be used for all sorts of things, right? But whether you're a backpacker like ourselves, whether you have an RV, whether you're into boat life, to use at home. I mean, let's face it, people have had power cuts lately.
All the way across Europe and everywhere, haven't they?
I think that's global, actually. So
Yeah, I heard it was another one in London and
there's
all
been
sorts.
going on in America quite a bit too.
Yeah, well, with those, you could put them up in your back garden. Once night time's over, put your solar panel up in your back garden, put your power banks into it and all that lot. And yeah, you're a good 'un, right?
And let's face it, you could even do the gardening with a radio on, powered by your solar panel, right?
It's free, clean energy, so why not give it a try? Especially for us, you know, and it opens up so many doors because like you guys, you know, even if you're going out backpacking or you're going out for picnics or anything like that, you can just whack it up, put it out, and
job's a good one.
enjoy, right?
And of course, let's not forget, it is providing clean, renewable energy, right? Coming straight from the sun. You can't ask anything better than that. That's
No.
not damaging the planet.
No, that's it. And not only that, is it works great with like lithium batteries and generators and stuff like that. They do go over and have a look at the website. They do like loads of different sizes. Ours are 40 watt. You can get like an 80 watt, 120 watt, all the way up apparently.
Depending on what your needs are, right?
Yeah, and if you're power hungry and you like gaming and things like that, yeah, get a big one.
And one of the other things we'd really give a thumbs up for is the affordability of it.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't
Yeah.
argue with that, can you?
No, I mean, yeah, I mean, they boast that it's budget friendly. Yeah, that's like £1 a week. Well, almost £1.50 a week you'd be saving up for Christmas to buy one.
Yeah.
It's not much a week when you think about it like that. How much do you pay for your How much do you pay for electricity at home? It's more than £1.50 a week. Think about it.
Yeah.
You know, and we just hate, you know, like these key meters and things like that. You give them back to the system, you're being charged for it. Also, it's only 1.3 kilos. So I've got to carry it, right? You don't want anything that's going to be like stupid amounts of weight and things like that. Or have a look at this. You could carry it like this, you know, so you can have it open on your bag and yeah, not bad.
Lightweight and portable.
There you go. Yeah, yeah, very much so. I mean, it's so easy to use, isn't it?
Yes.
It's just a literal plug in and play. But yeah, I mean, it's already charged a couple of battery packs already. The first time we done it was real slow.
It's not the gadget itself, it's more how we utilise the gadget to ensure that we're always with power.
Yeah,
So it's going to take a little bit of practice to get that one right, I think.
yeah, that's it. I mean, when we could be making a video for you and then having another battery pack on charge whilst running off of this battery pack, for instance.
Yeah.
But we're just trying to figure out how we negate that right now. I mean, there are you out there that use solar all the time on your boats and stuff like that and your vans. How do you do it? Do you like trickle it into a leisure battery and then drain from the main battery? I don't know. Let us know down in the comments how you negate charge and offer solar and things like that. We'd be really interested to know. But obviously, if you like this solar panel, go and have a look in the description. And thank you to MH Powers for sending it out to us. But as you know, we usually give away our reviews. But
yeah, as we've said before, the only way we'll ever keep something, which is a really rare situation because we have to lose weight to gain weight.
yeah,
So the fact that we want to keep this one should tell you all you need to know.
yeah.
I mean, for the affordability of it as well, we really recommend it.
Yeah, and it changes our game. You know, we can pretty much go anywhere. It just means that we could go out and into the forest quite comfortably knowing that we don't have to hit another town unless it's for food now.
Yeah.
You know, unless we're going to get drone drops and parcels airborne. We have yet
We're
to figure
open to
that.
offers.
Yeah, we get to figure that one out. But it should be good, and because we're keeping it, you'll get to see when it breaks, if it breaks, how long we can keep hold of it for, how
Yeah.
it does through winter.
Yeah, we're going to put it through its paces. Well, it's going to have to be put through its paces
Yes.
in our lifestyle, right?
Yes,
so if it can
indeed.
go the distance with us, it can definitely go the distance of anyone else. I would
Yeah,
have thought.
especially for like your weekend camping trips and things like that. I mean, you're going to be looking at the weather maps to see if it's sunny or not. You're not going to be going out in the rain we live out here, so it's got to keep up. It has to keep up. If it don't perform well, you'll know about it. Trust me, you will know about it. But as it stands at the moment, can't fault it.
No, we're keeping it.
Yes, we're keeping it only because it changes our game, doesn't it?
Yes.
You know, and it lets us keep in touch with you. We had a couple of messages this morning, you know, a bit worried about you, haven't uploaded for a while.
We just needed a little bit of time out, a bit of R&R.
Yeah, why not? It's all good fun. Anyway, Cully, sorry it's only been a short one, but go over and have a look at these guys. So worth it. There are other companies out there. We haven't tried any of them, so wouldn't know.
Yeah.
You know, but
we can vouch for these.
yeah, it works. It works well for us.
So MH Powers, well done.
Yeah, nice
Awesome.
one. Cheers. Well, Cully, until next time, happy hopping.